I'm out today on the Hanson feeder canal. We're installing some barcodes on the meters that come out of our canal. This particular meter is Heaven's Door number 1 and also Heaven's Door number 2. These meters serve water for irrigation purposes. Some of the meters along this canal also serve for domestic use as well. The reason for installing the barcodes on the meters is just a better way to verify what meter you're at, verify the meter reading that matches up to the correct meter. The app that we use, that mainly our operations guys are the ones out here actually doing the readings each month. That's our O&M crew, and they use an app that's called Survey 123. The app is for data collection, so it allows them to collect the meter reading. It also allows them to take a picture of the meter, and it also now has a barcode reader on it that identifies what meter they're at. If it works right, it'll make a little noise, and then it'll bring up all the information about this meter. There's roughly 20 meters on the Hanson feeder canal that pull water out of the canal. These meters are checked monthly in the water running season, which would be April 1st to October 31st, checked at the end of every month. And then there are some along the feeder canal here that also are checked during the wintertime if they have wintertime contracts for delivery.